Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To create a budget plan on an Excel spreadsheet, start by opening a new worksheet. In the first row, list categories like income, housing, utilities, etc. Below each category, itemize your monthly incomes and expenses. Use the sum function to calculate totals for each category. Utilize Excel's budgeting templates for a more streamlined experience. Formulate a formula to subtract total expenses from total income, giving a clear view of your financial health. Excel's pivot tables and charts can also visualize your budget, helping to track your spending and saving goals efficiently.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.